John. This is my bus, Pardner. Come on in, we'll take a look. Well, this is a 98 International short bus. It's got a wheelchair lift back in the back still. I was going to use it to bring a motorcycle along with me, but while I was working on this and figuring things out, I accidentally broke it, and I don't know how to fix that. So that's a project for next summer.
Yep.
But in the meantime, you know, it's a great living space. Not much to it, but it's what I need. Do you got any questions about what you see?
You've got solar?
Oh, I've got 300 watts of solar, and I've got three 100 watt hour 12 volt batteries, and that's what I run on. And I've got my cooler here, just a regular standard chest cooler. Can't remember the brand name. Truck something.
All right.
And this is my charging station. That's all I need. I just charge my products up there. I don't even have any lights hooked up yet. But I use propane to cook on, and when needed, I use the same rig to heat. It's been doing me well for the last 3 years, so that's what we'll be doing.
I like the big comfy chair.
Yeah, well, that was a priority when I decided I wanted a bus and I had some extra room.
Yeah.
This has worked out. I really enjoy that, and lots of storage under the bed. Typical, you know, just storage.
Yep.
Food. Other than that, it's not. I've gone with these nets that a lot of people have used, but it was easier than trying to figure out all the framework of building cabinets, and it's worked out just great for me.
Yep. And do you have any contact, like or social media or anything?
I don't know.
Okay.
I've got a Facebook page that I do mostly for my kids called Out Yonder, but I just take pictures and post them up there.
Sure.
And it's pretty much just my kids that look at that. It's nothing spectacular, but nope.
Well, thank you.
All right, thank you for coming.
Hope you enjoyed that video, and remember, there'll be another one next Saturday. So please tell your friends and hit the subscribe button, and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. All right, see you next time, YouTube. Bye.